what we can do here is to, what if, okay, what I'm saying, I'm just imagining a situation where you're given something like this. Okay, you simply turn this into absolute value of 5x, and then this is less than or equal to 10. Okay, and then by the problem number one, what we can do is that we can pull 5 out like this. Okay, then it is less than or equal to 10. Therefore, absolute value of x is less than or equal to 2. Okay, therefore, now what we can say is that the distance between x and 0 is 2, right? Then 0 is right here, right? 0 is right here, and then 2 is up here, and then also going this side for 2, this side for 2, right? Again, x should be now inside, right? Therefore, the answer is negative 2, x 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Now, next problem here. It absolute value of m is greater than 2, right? The distance between m and 0 should be greater than 2. 0 is here, then going this side for 2, going the other side for 2 units, then you have negative 2 and 2. Then where should our m, where should our m live? Okay, can m be here? No, because m minus 0 is less than 2. That's not what we want. That's not what we want here, right? Therefore, m should be outside here, m should be outside here. Again, these are disconnected, and but both of them have to satisfy as solutions. Therefore, it is an or situation. Therefore, m is greater than 2 or m is less than negative 2. Okay, so this is the final answer. So I have 6 more problems to go. I'm going to go faster. So now this means r is greater than or equal to 5. What that means is this is when r and 0 is greater than 5. Now 0 is here, and then going this side for 5 units, going the other side for 5 units, right? Then where r should go? Can r be here? No, r minus 0 is less than 5. Therefore, r cannot go there. So r should be outside. R should be here and here, okay? Then r is greater than 5 or r is less than 5, negative 5. So this is the final answer. So number 9, then absolute value of x minus 2 is less than or equal to 3, right? What that means is 2 is here, right? The distance between x and 2 is less than 3. Now, then going the other side for 3 units, then it stops here. Going the other side for 3 units, then it stops here at negative 1. So now, where can our x go? Can x be here? No, because the distance between x and 2, this distance is greater than 3, right? So we do not want that. Therefore, x should automatically be inside. Okay? Therefore, the answer is this. Okay? And then last problem here, not last problem, I'm sorry. The next problem here is b plus 1 is less than or equal to 3. Again, by the commutative law, you can switch p and 1 like this. And then what this means is that, okay, you can, there are 2 different ways to solve this problem. So you can say the distance between b plus 1 to 0, or you can say the distance between b to negative 1, because b plus 1 is the same as b minus negative 1, right? Therefore, you can say that the distance between b and negative 1, right? So, well, either way it works. Whichever you prefer, you can apply, okay? Now, I'll apply the second one because I did something similar to the first case in here. Yeah, I did something similar here. Well, and then I'm gonna do this one here. So what it's saying is that the distance between b and negative 1 is less than 3. Now, then going this side for 3, going to the right side of negative 1 for 3 units, going to the uh negative side of negative 1 for 3 units. Then we need to decide where our B should go. Can B, can our B be outside like this? If B is here and then B is here, the distance between B and -1 is now greater than 3, right? That's not what we want. That's exactly the opposite of it, right? Therefore, our B should go inside, right? Therefore, looking at it, this is 4, -4, and this is 2. Therefore, the answer here is -4, B, 2. So B should be stuck in between -4 and 2. Again, again, this is and this is and, okay? Now, this one is n is greater than 3. What that means is the distance between n and 0 is greater than 3. So now then 0 is here, and then you're going this side for 3 units, going the other side for 3 units. Now, where should our n go? Can n be inside? Because now the distance between n and 0 should be greater than 3. Therefore, n should go outside. At this point, I think you guys are an expert at this. So I hope you guys are. N should be greater than or equal to 3, or n should be less than or equal to 3. Okay? This must be an OR case because these two, the range here and the range down here, up here, both of them should be qualified for the solutions for this inequality, right? Therefore, it must be OR. If this was n, then there is no common part, so this whole inequality does not exist anymore. Okay? If you don't understand that, you can ask me a question later. Okay? Now, this one is absolute value of x and 4. The distance between x and 4 is less than 8. Okay? Now, now you're really familiar with this right now. So 4 is here, right? The distance between x and 4, therefore going this side for 8 units. So it's 12, going the other side for 8 units, therefore it's -4, right? Therefore, our x should fall in between this. Therefore, the answer is this, right? And then last one here, v plus 5 is less than or equal to 1. Okay, then v plus 5, again, we can rewrite this to b minus -5 and then 1. Okay, then what we can say from this is that the distance between -5 is here, and then v, therefore, is less than 1. Therefore, going this side for 1 unit, this side for 1 unit. Therefore, our v should be in between here, right? V should be inside. V cannot go outside because the distance between b and -5 is larger than 1 if b was outside. Therefore, the answer is -6, v, and then -4. So this is the final answer. Okay, so now I want to give you guys the ultimate guide to solving everything here. Okay, hold on. So your school probably teach tells you to memorize this. So the x minus x a, and you see -a x a, then x is greater than a, then x is greater than a, or -a. But you need to make sure in this case that a should be positive. Okay, so now a lot of people just memorize this without really understanding what an absolute value is. Absolute value is a distance. So now absolute value of x and 0 is less than or equal to a, right? Think about it. Can a be negative value? Can our a be negative value? No. If a is negative, I think I need to cut the video right now and then make another one.